ABB, let me hear you say blood type!
Hi, welcome to the blood bank. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to donate some blood. How much will that cost?
We don't want your money. We just want your plasma and your blood cells. Just need your name and number, and we'll schedule you in later.
Cool, what does it involve?
Here's a short video that will tell you more about your experiences with us, how donating works, and where your blood goes.
Hi, I'm Dr. Eastwood and welcome to the Blood Bank. Here is a few short details about why and how blood is used in donation. Firstly, some important details to consider when donating.
You must be between the age of 18 and 70, weigh at least 50 kilos, and have normal temperature and blood pressure. White blood cells fight bacteria and pathogens which cause illness and diseases within the body. They are carried through your bloodstream to battle viruses, bacteria, and other foreign invaders that threaten your health. When the body is in distress and a particular area is under attack, white blood cells rush to the area, helping to destroy the harmful substances and prevent disease. They are constantly made inside the bone marrow and stored in your body and lymphatic tissues, which have a lifespan of 1 to 3 days. A weakened immune system, infection, cancer of the blood, and medicines can raise or lower the body's white blood cell count. White blood cells are transfused to patients who have life-threatening infections or have greatly reduced white blood cell count. Donations of white blood cells is done through a process called apheresis, which allows for the collection of specific components of blood, including white blood cells. Red blood cells are responsible for the colour of blood. Their function is to carry oxygen from the lungs to all the body tissues and to carry carbon dioxide, a waste product of metabolism, to the lungs where it is excreted from the body. You can donate just red blood cells through an apheresis donation. Red blood cells have a 42-day shelf life and are received by patients having surgery, organ transplants, or cancer treatment. Red blood cells are used to treat all kinds of anemia, where people have low hemoglobin levels. Plasma is the largest single component of the blood. Making up about 55% of the blood's total volume, plasma is a clear straw-coloured liquid which acts as a carrier for platelets, red and white blood cells. Plasma is a powerful and versatile part of your blood. Today, it can be used in 18 life-giving ways, from treating serious burns or cancer to protecting people with brain or blood disorders. Plasma is used in blood transfusions, as well as all parts being separated into individual proteins used to make medical products. Platelets are small, colourless, disc-shaped cell fragments without a nucleus. They are found in large numbers in blood and are involved in clotting. Conditions such as leukemia and medical treatments such as chemotherapy can decrease a person's platelet count. If the number of platelets becomes too low, spontaneous bleeding can occur. Even a small amount of bleeding can be dangerous, particularly if it occurs in the brain. Platelets have a limited shelf life of 5 days. However, healthy people can donate platelets every 2 to 4 weeks, as platelets are replaced within a few days of each donation. During a platelet donation, whole blood is drawn from one arm into a sterile kit inside a cell separating machine. The machine separates the blood so that only platelets and plasma are collected. Red and white blood cells are returned to the donor via the same arm. The demand for platelets is ongoing, however the need becomes more acute around long weekends and holidays. The limited shelf life of 5 days places extreme pressure on platelets available to help patients. Unfortunately, holidays can be times when large quantities of blood products may be needed for accident victims. Meet Darcy. Darcy is a dedicated plasma and platelet donor. Working in medical research, he knows how important blood donation is and regularly rolls up his sleeves to help out. Be like Darcy. Donating blood regularly can help to reduce how thick and sticky your blood is, allowing blood to flow more easily through the blood vessels and reach the heart faster. Iron is one of the main minerals found in blood, and it has been known to increase the amount of free radical damage in the body. Donating blood helps reduce iron stores, therefore reducing overall individual cancer risk. It's hard to imagine just how important blood donations are, but someone needs blood every 2 seconds. We may picture roadside trauma when we imagine where blood donations go, but in reality only a small percentage of all blood donations go to trauma patients. It's actually cancer patients who receive the majority of the donated blood. Although all types of blood are needed and accepted, type O positive is the most needed. It is the most common blood type, so it is most likely to be transfused. You can burn about 650 calories donating 1 pint of blood. That's even more than what you burn in a 30-minute run.